Creating this dancing baby video just got easier. You can now create this video without using Kling AI. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create this video with free AI tools. What you will do is to head over to Pinterest. So once you get to Pinterest, you're just going to search for body, female body. Just search for female body. So now you see different pictures. So you're just going to select the one that you prefer. So let's say I want to use this one. So all I'm just going to do is just to click on. So I'll just click on this dot here. I'll just click on download image. So now any picture you want, you can just search for more pictures, then you can use. So let's say you want to use that particular one. Now, the next thing you're going to do is to head over to ChatGPT. So once you get to ChatGPT, you're just going to click on this plus button here. Then you're going to impute the image that we just downloaded from Pinterest. So now you're just going to impute the image. Then the next thing you will write is, so you're going to say create a baby. Okay, no. So using this picture as reference, So now I said using this picture as reference, create a baby image of this without the red bag in a 16:9 aspect ratio. Because I'm using it for my YouTube video, I'm going to make it 16:9 depending on depending on where you are posting it on. So I'm going to be posting it on YouTube. So I'm just going to send this, then I'm going to wait for ChatGPT to generate an image for me. Now this is what ChatGPT generated for us. So I'm not really okay with this. So I'm going to give it another picture. So now I'm going to give you this picture with the same prompt. All I'm just going to add is I want it to be in a city room. I'll just write in a modern city room. In a modern city room, then I'm just going to send that. So now this is the picture that it generated for me. I'm just going to click on download. Then I'm going to download it. So once you are done downloading it, the next thing you are going to do is to head over to TikTok. So now once you get to TikTok, you're going to search for dancing video. So now let's say we want to use this one. We're just going to download the video. So we're just going to click on download. Then we are going to download the video. So we're just going to wait for it to download. As you can see, the video is downloading. So now once we are done downloading, we are going to head over to one dot. So you're just going to search for one dot video. Click on one dot video. So now it's going to bring you to this interface. So you are going to make sure that you are on desktop site. Make sure you are on desktop site. So you can see it's on desktop site. So come to this place and click on try 1.2.6 now. So you're going to let it load. So I've created video before. So these are the videos that I created before. So you just come to this down part. You can zoom in so that you can see it very well. So this particular one is what we are looking for. This down one is what we are looking for. We are going to click on it. So now once we click on it, we'll come to this place. So speech to video, you're going to click on speech to video, then you click on photo animate. So click on photo animate. Now they will ask you for the character. So now the character is the image that we've just created. So we're just going to impute the image, the baby image that we created. So we're going to click on character, then we're going to impute the baby image that we created. So now we are just going to wait for it to load. Now the next thing you will do is to come over to this place and impute the video. You know, we downloaded the video from TikTok. So that particular video that we downloaded from TikTok, so we're just going to impute it right here where they wrote video. So click on it. Then you're going to go to upload from device. So you can see that it's loading. So this is the video. Now they're asking you to confirm. So it's going to be 15 seconds because the video is 15 seconds. So it's one dot video cannot take more than this because I'm using the free version. But if you wanted to make a long form video for you, you can decide to use the pro version. But this video is all about using the free version. So we're going to be using the free version. Now what we're just going to do is to come to this place and click on confirm. So you're going to click on confirm. Now once you click on confirm, you're just going to let it load. So once you look at this place, you notice that the video is loading. So now once it has finished loading, you are going to look to this down part. You see where they wrote 0. So click on that part where they wrote 0 credits. Then you come to this side where they wrote don't show again. Just click on don't show again. Then click on confirm. So now you can see that our video is generating. It's going to take a little time because we are using free credits for it. So we're using the free version. So it's going to take a little time to generate the video for us, but it's going to generate it. So we're just going to be patient. Now this is the video here. We're just going to play the video. So now that's it. You're going to come to this part here. Then you're going to click on download. Then it's going to download to your device. So the video is muted because of copyright, because of the song. So I muted it because of copyright claim. So that's why the video is not audible.